Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 13th of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of June 2025, our system has ranked Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.56. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.83%. This translates to an average return of 0.76% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a correction back towards the lower segment of the trend is likely to occur. A breakout above the upper trend line at $216.20 would initially signify a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 28.9% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 7.93% and 32.01%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 6.77%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 27.13% to positive 16.52% over the coming year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $153.83 and $245.98. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Taiwan Semiconductor stock price down 2.01% on Friday. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price decreased by 2.01% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of June, 2025. It fell from $215.43 to $211.10. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.84%, with a day low of $209.40 and a day high of $213.26. The price has increased in 9 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 9.2% over the past 2 weeks. Volume on the last day rose by 361,000 shares, although this occurred alongside declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 10 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $226.40, while the lowest was $133.57. Currently, the price stands 6.76%, or $15.30, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, remains a pivotal player in the semiconductor industry, particularly as the demand for artificial intelligence and high-performance computing continues to surge. Recently, TSMC unveiled a robust roadmap for its new Nanosheet chip nodes, including the N2, N2P, and A16, aiming to solidify its technological leadership in this competitive sector. This strategic move promises to enhance TSMC's position as a preferred supplier for AI technologies, which could lead to increased market share and revenue. Moreover, TSMC experienced a significant revenue boost in May 2025, with figures soaring nearly 40% year-on-year, further fueled by strong demand for AI-related chips. This performance not only showcases the company's resilience, but also reflected positively on its stock, which surged over 4% in response to these results. Consistent revenue growth, accompanied by an optimistic outlook from Wall Street, will likely attract more investors in the short term, boosting stock performance. In the long term, TSMC's commitment to advancing its technology and meeting evolving market demands positions it favorably within the semiconductor landscape. As the industry increasingly leans towards artificial intelligence applications, TSMC's innovations could translate into sustained growth and stability for its stock price, reinforcing its status as a key investment in the tech sector. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, Citigroup assigned TSM a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, Barclays assigned TSM a hold rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, Susquehanna assigned TSM a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. Currently, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and as of now, the stock has declined by 2.01%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. On a positive note, Taiwan Semiconductor stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. There is also a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should the stock experience downward corrections, it may find support at the levels of $209.80 and $190.44. Should the stock fall below either of these levels, it would trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $186.98 and $172.72. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, Taiwan Semiconductor finds support just below today's level at $186.98. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $172.72 and $158.75. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.86 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.84%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 1.81%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.13. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $212.46. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $186.98. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $204.21, which represents a decrease of 3.26%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, coupled with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Taiwan Semiconductor stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of June, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open higher by 153/100ths of a dollar and begin trading at $211.25. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.